3 hours of editing later, and 1 hour trying to figure out this stupid piece of shit, I finally made my song.
Quicksand I'm in the quicksand of shit after I have been eaten by some obese asshole.
Well, I think my passing will be a bit quicker, don't you think? I am Soda baby. Soda. What the fuck do you think I am?
A bitch with big lips.
Well, I can't disagree, but you have big lips as well. And many folds underneath your chin.
That's cheese. And Patty's douchebag.
That's disgusting.
I was born this way. Don't make me bawl my eyes out.
Well, then you would have soggy buns, which would make you more horrid.
Wait. Why are we talking this way?